Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this issue of fans and lights staying on even after shutdown the system in Windows 10. So let's start. So firstly, you have to just go to the run command. So you have to just type run in the search bar and click on run command, and then you have to type this query control.exe space power cfg.cpl comma then pit comma and then 3. You have to just press this command and then you have to just click on OK. So it will take you to the power option. So in power option you have to just drag it down and you have to just go to the PCI Express. Here it is, the PCI Express. You have to drag it down and you have to just double click on link state power management, and at here you have to just change these settings for on battery and for plugin. So in on battery, as you can see, by default it is on maximum power savings, so you have to just open it and then click on off. And same it is in plugin, so you have to just open this up and select off option in both feature, and then you have to just click on apply and then OK. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your issue, so you have to just move to second step, which is basically you have to just type power cfg.cpl in search bar and press enter. So at here is the power option. Control panel has been opened, so you have to just click on choose what the power buttons do, and at here you have to just check this option. As you can see, turn on fast startup, it is recommended, it is checked, so you have to just uncheck on it. As you can see, I can't edit this because I have to just click on change settings that are currently unavailable. I have to just click on this and now you can see it is now editable. So I have to just uncheck this option and click on save changes. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. And if still your issue will not has not fixed, so you have to just go to the third last step, which is basically command prompt. So you have to just type command prompt in search bar and click on run as administrator and click on yes, and then at here you have to just type this command shutdown, then space, then forward slash, then s, again space, then forward slash, then f, then again space, then forward slash, and then t, and then space, and then 0. So you have to just after this write this command, you have to just press enter. So it will shut down your system, and your fans and light of your system has also been shut down. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.